Today we will be making snow dough. This fun activity will bring all the fun of snow inside your home without melting, and you only need 2 ingredients. You will need 2 cups of cornstarch and half a cup of vegetable oil. We are going to mix these 2 ingredients until everything is well integrated. That's it! These 2 ingredients make snow dough. I first used a spoon to mix the 2 ingredients, and then I went ahead and I used my hands to really get in there. The snow dough can be put in the freezer to make it cold. You can squish the dough together to mold it into shapes, or break it up and sprinkle it in your container. You can also add different manipulatives in the snow for some added fun. I'm going to try to make a snowman. What are you going to do with your snow dough? I used a flat snowman to make prints in my snow dough. I also used a cup to make circles in my snow dough. I also made a smiley face. What can you do in your snow dough? Thank you for watching, and keep checking our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for more fun videos. Bye!